Okay, the last bit of fun before we get back is got to cross this river. There are some stones going across, and it's snowing as well, which makes me think that my decision to turn back was the right one. Because if it's snowing down here and we're almost back at the car, then you can bet it's going to be a lot worse further up. So I'll pan round and I'll keep the camera on as I cross, and hopefully I won't fall in, but if I do, it's waterproof. So I have my pack undone, and here we go. Woo! Okay, this is not a lot of fun. Getting my balance here. Onto the next stone. Okay. Wow, that's looking upstream. We are in the middle. This is looking downstream. Where I just came across. Got a couple more to go. Fairly big rocks. Still got to be careful. Don't want to take a bath at this point. Okay, last one. And we're over. And back on the trail.